speak English naturally. 15 tips to improve English level 1. Section 1. Build your foundation. Learn basic vocabulary. Focus on 10 to 15 daily use words. Practice simple sentences. Start forming short sentences like I like tea. Learn common phrases. Example, how are you? See you later. Focus on pronunciation. Use tools like Google Translator or pronunciation apps. Section 2. Daily practice habits. Set aside 10 minutes daily. Consistency is key. Talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing, like I'm brushing my teeth. Label items around you. Place sticky notes with English names on things. Keep a journal. Write 1 or 2 sentences about your day. Section 3. Listening and speaking. Watch kids' shows or cartoons. They use simple language and clear pronunciation. Repeat what you hear. Mimic phrases from movies, podcasts, or YouTube. Shadow speaking. Repeat immediately after a speaker to match their rhythm. Section 4. Interactive learning. Join online groups. Practice with others learning English. Play language games. Find a speaking partner. Section 5. Stay motivated. Celebrate progress. Reward yourself for small achievements like learning 5 new words. Remember, practice a little every day. Listen actively and don't be afraid to make mistakes. If you found these tips helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly English lessons. See you next time. Thank you.